DJ ATV.
Let them return them. Let them return them. Let them return them. We want to see them. We want to see them. We want to see them.
Whoever is seeing this video right now.
Al Jazeera, you are talking to Al Jazeera.
Al Jazeera, yes, thank you. Listen, the whole world. Yes, we know our husbands signed for this work as policemen. Yes, they are signed to serve the nation. But what is supposed to be given to them should be given to them. They should be taken good care of. Look at where they gave to us to stay. No light, no water, no benefit, nothing whatsoever. They are in the bush fighting on empty stomach. How do you expect hungry men to defend the nation? It will not work. What we are saying, the women, the ones that their husbands died, those ones, they just shove them outside without anything. Young women turning to widows. We don't want it anymore. If they know they cannot take care of them as special forces, if they know they cannot give them all these benefits, they should demob them, send them back to their bases. We are tired. We have turned farmers. Policemen have turned farmers. We don't want all this anymore. Please, whoever gets this video, send it to the appropriate quarters. Thank you. We no go green.
We no go green.
We no go green.
We no go green.
Special forces.
We no go green.
Special wahala.
We no go green.
We no go green.
We no go green.
Our husbands are dying.
We no go green.
Our children are fatherless.
We no go green.
We no go green.
We no go green.
Mr. Cyril, this is coming in from Madala. There is no movement at all. The road is blocked. If you look ahead, you will see that no car is coming. No vehicle is moving from Madala to this side. The other side I'm going to show you now is coming from Kaduna. It's also blocked. There's no coming in from that side. So in case you are coming to this place, when you get to when you get to Madala, if you are able to get to Madala or you are able to get to Zuba, you call me. I will do on how to come and pick you there. Now this way is coming from Kaduna. There is no way also. There is no road. The road is blocked. The two sides, both coming in and going out of Abuja, is blocked. There is no way at all. So you can see. We need they are crying. They say they need the presence of the IG. They want to get the attention of the National Assembly, the attention of the Senate, and the attention of the press, so that they can express their grievance. They don't have where they kept them. There's no light, there's no water, there's nothing inside the house, no food. The wives are hungry, the children are hungry. 7 of the men were just slaughtered on Sunday, and these women are hungry. These women are angry. The children are angry.
DJ ATV.